Greetings dear clients, dear subscribers, this is Ison speaking. In this video we will review the Ison AHD60SF-DR HD surveillance camera, which features 8 megapixels, 5 times digital zoom and night infrared illumination up to 25 meters. So let's start by removing the protective film so it doesn't distract us. This is a dome surveillance camera. It's color and it's versatile. It can be installed both indoors and outdoors. We are often asked whether the Ison dome surveillance camera can be mounted on a wall or if it can only be mounted on the ceiling. Yes, it can be mounted both on the wall and on the ceiling. Thanks to the fact that this dome rotates in the middle, its installation method is no different from that of a regular bullet camera. This camera has a 5 times digital zoom, which can be controlled remotely. It also has an autofocus option, so when you use the zoom, the focus will automatically adjust as well. You don't need to perform any additional mechanical adjustments for this. People often ask, why do you need zoom? Zoom is needed so that the camera can see farther. In other words, a surveillance camera with 5 times optical zoom can see 5 times farther compared to a surveillance camera without zoom. The camera has an IP66 protection rating. It is dust and moisture proof and can withstand temperatures from +55 to -60 degrees. Package contents. As usual, it includes the camera itself and this box. Here you'll find all the necessary mounting hardware, a template for easy installation as well as instructions. The camera is equipped with the latest Sony sensor. The sensor is what's inside the camera and it determines 95% of the image quality and the camera's longevity. This model uses an original Sony sensor. Not a copy, not a replica, not a counterfeit from AliExpress, but an original Sony sensor. Ison equipment comes with a 3-year warranty. It also features a powerful infrared illumination with a range of up to 25 meters, implemented here using modern, high-quality IR LED diodes, not the outdated R5 diodes that dominate the current video surveillance market and tend to burn out by the end of the first year of use. You won't have that problem here because, as I mentioned, this camera uses the most advanced LED infrared diodes. The camera is equipped with all the latest technologies, including WDR and DNR. These are technologies without which essentially buying a surveillance camera is just money wasted. WDR technology is designed to solve the problem of poor or improper lighting. No matter where you install your surveillance camera, several times a day you'll encounter situations where sunlight will hit the lens or, on the contrary, a shadow will fall across it. And a surveillance camera without this technology will be useless at those moments. That is, all the faces in the frame will appear black, car license plates will be black, and you won't be able to see anything. Here there is a technology in place that solves this problem. Moreover, this is real WDR technology, not a cheap imitation or a fake from AliExpress. Many makeshift manufacturers claim their cameras have WDR, but in reality the technology is implemented very poorly in these cameras and essentially does not solve the problem. Ison equipment is premium segment equipment. Here, whenever we talk about Sony sensors, they are always original Sony sensors. If we talk about on-vision or full-hand sensors, of course, they are always original as well. These are the best sensors available on the video surveillance camera market, period. And if we talk about WDR or DWDR technologies, of course, these are only original technologies that actually solve this problem. DNR technology is also implemented here. This is a technology that reduces the amount of noise, meaning interference, during nighttime shooting conditions. If you have any questions about this surveillance camera, feel free to ask our managers. Subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss any new videos.